Cleaning your home's vinyl siding removes dirt, grime, and stains that can prematurely age, fade, and discolor your home. Vinyl siding should be cleaned about once a year. Many people hire professionals, but you can easily save several $100s by doing it yourself. Before cleaning, shut off the power to the exterior of your home. Then use plastic and tape to cover the lighting and exposed outlets you don't want to get wet. Add Simple Green OxySolve house and siding cleaner into the detergent reservoir or feed the line into the bottle, depending on the soap intake setup of your pressure washer. Next, you should attach a soap tip or 65-degree spray tip to your pressure washer wand. If you have an adjustable tip, put it in low pressure mode. Let's get to work. Hold the pressure washer wand firmly with both hands and keep the nozzle at least 2 feet from the surface, starting further out and working your way in as needed. Work in sections a few feet wide, beginning at the bottom and working your way up. Then move to a new section. You don't want the cleaner to dry before you can wash it off, so only apply cleaner to a manageable section. Work in horizontal sweeping motions, keeping the wand moving. Simple Green OxySolve products use a peroxide-based formula to remove grime and tough stains while helping brighten the surfaces you're cleaning. Leave the cleaning solution on the surface for roughly 3 to 5 minutes to do its job. Take care not to let the cleaning product dry on the surface before rinsing to avoid any possible streaking. Next, you'll want to change the pressure washer tip to a 25 or 40-degree nozzle and flush out any remaining cleaner from the line. Starting from the top, rinse away the cleaner thoroughly using steady sweeping motions. Once rinsed, begin applying the cleaner to the next area for cleaning. Continue this process, soaping and rinsing in sections until your entire home siding is clean. After the job is done, flush your equipment with water before storing. For small cleaning jobs throughout the year, such as mold and mildew stain spots, Simple Green OxySolve house and siding cleaner can also be used manually. Mix 1 measure of cleaner to 20 measures of water and clean in sections using a soft bristle brush or sponge, then use your garden hose to rinse. Thanks for watching. Head to simplegreen.com for more how-to videos and cleaning tips for keeping your home simple, green, clean.